there, welcome to Lean Balanced Kitchen. Today we are going to make calzone. Calzone is made with pizza dough, and I will link the description below for the full recipe. So when you decide to make calzone, you'll have that pizza dough recipe. First, we're going to saute some veggies. So what do I have here? I have mushrooms, peppers, and some red onions that we are going to season with Italian seasoning. And then when we're ready to fill the calzone, I have some cheese here. I'm adding ricotta cheese because ricotta cheese has this really nice texture. It's creamy, it's soft, and it filled your calzone really well. So when you bite into it, you're not just getting that air pocket in between the calzone. So it's really nice with some ricotta cheese, but don't overfill your calzone. You don't want the filling oozing out while you're baking the calzone. So let's go ahead and start the pan going, and so that we could saute our veggies. All right, let's heat a non-stick skillet with olive oil. Now swirl the pan. This will coat the pan with oil. And then we're going to add the mushrooms. Now saute your mushrooms for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it tender and let it caramelize, because once the mushroom caramelizes, it renders so much flavor. The same way with the onions and the bell pepper. So the vegetable releases that nice flavor once it's sauteed well. And then season it with salt and pepper, and then add the Italian seasoning. Stir again to combine. So the veggies are tender, they're sauteed well. Now remove it from the pan and set it aside. Let it cool completely. For the meantime, we're going to work our dough. Now this is one recipe of the pizza dough. You're probably gonna get 6-8 calzone with this one recipe of the pizza dough. Now you're going to cut it in half, and then that half you're gonna cut it in half again, and that half is one calzone. That's why I said you're probably gonna get about 6 pieces or 6 to 8 pieces. And then you're going to roll it really thin. You want it thin because you want a little bit crispier. You don't want a bread texture for your calzone. So roll it as thin as possible, about 12-inch in diameter, and use a saucepan lid. This is about 10-inch in size, so then you get that really nice circle. And then let's start filling our dough. So here's the pepperoni, and then add a little bit of the ricotta cheese. Then add the sauteed veggies. Add about 2 tablespoons of sauteed veggies, and then add more cheese. You can have cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese, and then dab a little bit of water along the edges so it seals well. And once it's close, now you're going to twist the edges so you'll get that nice crimping. Or you could just use a fork and press the edges, and that way you'll also get a nice crimping. Score the top with a sharp knife so the steam can escape, and also we're brushing it with egg wash. It's just egg yolk and a little bit of milk, and then finish it off with sprinkle of more Parmesan cheese so you get that really nice golden brown outside of your calzone. So let's go ahead and bake. Okay, it came out really nice. It's really hot. It came out really golden brown, soft, and a little bit crispy outside, so that's what we want. I want to show you how it looks inside, but it's really hot right now, so we're gonna wait a little bit. All right, my lovelies, it's another success recipe for our calzone. So I hope that you will try it, and if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking or baking, please share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.